Amid coronavirus outbreak or COVID-19, masks are out of stock in pharmacies and it is imperative to wear a mask if you have to go out to buy groceries or for any other emergencies. I have an idea to make a mask at home with simple materials that we may have at home, like a bounty paper, a rubber band, and stapler. Now I'll show you how to make a mask. Let's do it. So this is the bounty paper. If you want it more thicker, you can take two, but two will be hard to breathe, so I'll take one. Okay, take a piece of bounty paper and fold it. Flip it and fold it again. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. The last part will be unequal, but it's okay. Okay, it's similar to like a fan, but yeah, that's how it is. Now fold the edges like to 1 inch and fold these. Now you have to put rubber bands in it. And staple it. Oh, it's a little hard, but wait. Same thing to the other side. Your mask is ready. You just have to enlarge it and wear it. Hope everyone liked this video, and please don't forget to wear a mask and sanitize your hands and maintain cleanliness at home during these challenging times. Stay home and stay safe. Last but not the least, please like this video, share it, and comment down below what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Stylish Jitin. Watch our other videos and have fun. Until then, goodbye.